O sinuanua o lo la e ina le tasi e lei lanu moana. O na tautalinga, o lo tautalinga i tifa, mai e moana, o lo masei, o le bua sa moa na moana, pae pae, o lana whaasolo, o le uma nifo. Te li tau wāna me rana mua, ta mai tai o sinuanua tau ini. Noah, come pick up your person, please. Ia o kasino mea mopua.
It takes a village to raise a child. This saying is true to many different cultures and very true in the Samoan culture. How do you feel about this saying?
Well, the saying is really important to me and my family, and how I feel about it. It's important to all of us and to me and to our village and our children. And I'm very grateful that I picked this because it's important.